Hello and welcome back. So in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to add leaderboards to your game. A lot of what you're going to see is actually fairly similar to the process for adding achievements to your game. So hopefully we'll be able to go a little faster in this lesson and get some leaderboards added pretty quickly. We're going to follow the same format as we did last time by adding in a button to view all of our leaderboards before we actually go and create any. So let's do that by going into our game view controller.nib file and, not our game view controller, our intro view controller.nib file. And there we can see our button to view our achievements. Let's go in and let's add another button over on this side. And we'll call this one leaderboards. We'll fix our auto sizing, anchor to the bottom here, and move that over. There we go. All right. Wow, perfect. That is a beautiful button. And just like with our achievements, let's hook it up to .m file here. So we're going to move over here. Let's hide this. Get some room here. My gosh. Scoot this over. All right. So first thing we want to do is control drag up here. So we have our IB outlet, call it View Leaderboards button. All right, so we can disable this as needed. And let's say, how about above our achievement stuff, we're going to add a pragma mark, View Achievements, and then we can add another one. That's View Leaderboards. And we will add an action here, which will be Leaderboards button was pressed. And let's just take this full screen. There we go. And now in this method, basically we're just going to create a leaderboards controller and set the delegate to ourselves and present it. This should look very similar to the methods we have right above. Now I'm going to call GPG leaderboards controller. Notice, by the way, we have both a leaderboard controller and a leaderboards controller with an S. The leaderboard controller, this thing here, is what you would use if you wanted to bring up the scores for an individual leaderboard. The leaderboards controller starts by showing you all of the possible leaderboards for this game. I'm going to start by adding in a leaderboards controller, and we'll get to that other one later on in the chapter. But we'll just say leads controller equals GPG leaderboards controller alloc init. There we go. We will set our delegate to self. And now we can present view controller. Leads controller, animated yes, completion handler no. Great. We're getting a warning that we're setting our delegate to self without declaring that we are a leaderboards controller delegate. So we can do that right here. Leaderboards controller delegate. There we go. And now we get a warning that we haven't implemented the required method. Leaderboards view controller did finish. So let's add that. We'll do it right under here. There we go. Leaderboards view controller did finish. And basically we'll just dismiss view controller animated yes, completion nil. Perfect. Oh, wait, maybe not so perfect. I can see I made a mistake here. I declared delegate to self, and what I really want is leaderboards delegate. Sorry about that. All right, there we go. Now that warning's gone away. All right, let's do one more thing here. Let's go down and we'll also set our self.view leaderboards button.hidden also is not signed in. And all right. And gosh, I think that's all we need to do. So let's run this. All right, welcome back. We're signed in. Let's view our leaderboards, bring up our leaderboards controller. That is totally empty because we don't have any leaderboards in our game. Well, that's boring. So we'll say we're done, goes away. And congratulations, we've put a blank view controller on our screen. So next step, let's create a few leaderboards. And we will do that in the next lesson. See you soon.